What's up everyone, this is 𝒒𝒒𝒐𝒏𝒕 from InnoRative, and today I'm here with my new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily clean the iPhone speakers. These speaker grills are really dirty, and if you see closely, so as you can see that my iPhone speaker grills are engraved with the dirt. Okay, so dirt finds a way to get inside, and I don't know how, but it happens. So today I'm going to show you the best way that I have personally used to clean my phone. I have previously made a few videos on it, and I did few other tricks to clean it up, but today's trick is different. So in today's trick, what you need is a piece of tissue paper. So this is the tissue paper that's gonna clean your phone, but no, so you would be thinking how you are gonna do that. Also you need a nail that should be small in size, so you can see that it can easily fit inside these holes, but nails have pointy edges, so we don't need that. So what you need to do is you have to rub it against any material to get rid of this sharp edge. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna rub it against the concrete floor, because it will act as sandpaper in this case. So let's do it. As you can see that it has sharp edge. We just need to get rid of that sharp tip over here. You can use any other thing that you have at home. So now I'm gonna rub it against this concrete floor and remove its sharp edge. I know it's irritating, but that's the way. So there we go. We almost got rid of this sharp edge. So next thing that you're gonna do here is you're gonna wrap this nail inside this tissue paper. So this tissue paper has two or three foldings. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it again and make sure so nail's not gonna pass through it. And now wrap this tissue paper around this nail and make a pointy edge like this. Okay, so we have made a pointy edge. So what you're gonna do is, so you're gonna go through each hole and spin it around that hole and clean the dirt out of it. It's a game of patience. Go through each of the holes one by one, and then blow the dirt from these holes and do it again. Don't push it too hard because it's gonna peer through your speaker grills, and we don't want to do that. So there we go. So as you can see that these holes are cleaned enough, and it depends on you how much time you spend on cleaning these holes. And if this trick doesn't work for you, and then go check out my other video, which is the link above, and you can also find it down in the description. In that video I have also tried another method to clean it up, so just see which method works best for you. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Click on like, and please don't forget to subscribe.